Hi, this is Diana from the blog Liking Our Love, and in this video we are making flavorful lentil soup. To make this, the first thing you need to do is sort through your lentils. Pour them into a shallow dish so that you can look through all of them, and you're going to remove any rocks or funny looking pieces like this so that you can just sit them to the side and discard them. Then you'll go ahead and rinse your lentils. You're just gonna put some water on them and kind of swish them around in there so that any residue that's on the lentils will get removed. Then drain your lentils and sit them to the side. Next, you're gonna add olive oil to a large pot. Then go ahead and peel your carrots. Wash them. And cut them into slices. Add your carrots to the pot. Then grab your onion and go ahead and dice your onion up. Add your onion to the pot and turn it on medium heat and cook it for about 7 minutes, making sure that you are stirring it occasionally. While that's cooking, you're gonna measure out your seasonings. It's gonna be cumin, curry powder, Italian seasoning, and garlic. After the 7 minutes is up and your onion has started to turn translucent, go ahead and drop in your seasoning. Stir it up. Continue stirring it constantly for another minute. It's still going to be on medium heat. Once the minute is up, you can dump in your can of fire roasted tomatoes. Stir that up and let it cook for about 3 minutes. You're going to stir that occasionally. Add your corn. Add your lentils. The chicken bouillon. Water. And then you season it generously with Himalayan pink salt. And I do mean generously. Add some black pepper and a little bit of crushed red pepper. Give it a stir, and then you're going to turn up the heat to high, bring it to a boil, then cut the heat to medium and place a lid on the top. Let it cook for 40 to 50 minutes until the lentils have softened up. Typically, I let it cook the full 50 minutes because I like my lentils to be really soft, but if you like them a little bit firmer, you can check it earlier. Once they've softened to your liking, go ahead and add your frozen kale and stir that in. If you need to add a little bit more water at this point, go ahead and do that so that it won't stick. And you'll place the cover back on and let it continue cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes so that the kale can get cooked through. After you've done that, you're pretty much done. You're going to cut the heat off and add in your lemon juice. Add more water if you need to get it to the consistency that you like. And you can add more seasoning, more salt and pepper if you want to. And it's all done. I definitely recommend, if you have the time, to let it sit for at least 30 minutes before you serve it so that all the flavors can come together. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.